Oh my God! Real. All right, we're here with Back to Blue. Gonna go out there, catch some tarpon today. My good friend Brian Grubb. How much bait you got? Do you? Yeah, give me some crap. Just got a little bait from my buddy here, Adam. A few croakers, tarpon candy. We're gonna go out there behind the shrimp boats, toss one in front of their face and hook them up. Hey, let's give it one shot on this one. See those square doors off the side of the shrimp boat, the 3 square things off the side of the shrimp boat? That's where they dump all the fish that they don't want and stuff like that. So a lot of times the tarpon will stage like right on the back right corner, the back left corner of the shrimp boat, and they'll just sit there because that's where it's like it's a constant flow of food. When it gets pushed out, it just goes right down the shrimp boat and then gets sucked around like the transom of the boat, and that's when they come up and hit it. So when we get up in the middle there, all we're gonna wanna do is just throw that bait up like to the door and just let it float on down the side of the boat to where it comes out, and usually that's when the tarpon will come up and hit it. They'll really get thick when they actually get some stuff in their net and they put it on the deck and then they kick it out the side. That's when the feeding frenzy kind of starts. So, and let them eat it. Like with the tarpon, just kind of like leave your bail open and just give it like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then just come tight and reel. You won't touch it. It's got to just be so natural and good. Who's that?
Could have been a tarpon. Oh, it's sad.
It is a tarpon! It's a tarpon! You, I'm serious right now. What?
I get it.
I saw.
Dude.
Oh my God, dude. Now you got. Oh, look at, now he's all serious. Oh my God, look at the size. The tail on that fish is like this big. Just the tail alone. Oh! That is a man-sized tarpon right there, buddy.
Amped it up pretty good.
Oh, yeah. That was sick. This boat's gonna need a hammock for Shay after this fish. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah. As you can tell, we're at Ponce Inlet, right here outside of the lighthouse. Shay's had a big tarpon on. I don't know how much the thing weighs, but it's big, bigger than Shay. And he's been fighting it for probably about an hour now. Things come up 2 or 3 times. At first, we didn't even know what it was because typically the tarpon would jump right off the bat, but Shay's tarpon ate the bait about a foot under the water. All we saw was a quick flash, drag was ripping, and this is pretty much where he's at now. About 30 minutes into the fight, fish comes up, blasts the surface, and it's been on ever since then. Look at this thing. Woo! Oh my God. You got him, man. You just gotta get that head turned. Bring his head to him. Here, let me back here a little bit. Oh my God. This giant, this guy's huge.
Woo! That, folks, is what a tarpon looks like. Holy crap. Dude, he's so big, I can't even like roll him over. Look at this thing. Whew. This right here is what Shay's been fighting for the last hour and a half. Freaking amazing fish. I don't even know. I would say he probably goes, I don't even know, but he's big. He's really big. Hooked perfectly. This is why we use these smaller hooks, like I was saying earlier, is they hook perfectly right in the top. Real thin wired hook. You don't really have to worry about it coming out. You don't have to worry about it hurting the fish. But we're gonna get this one here. We're gonna get him revived up a little bit and release him. All right. Hey Shay, go ahead and put the boat into gear. Woo! Yeah. What it's all about right here. That is a big girl. I mean, that is a beast. Nice work, Shay. Woo. Oh, that didn't take too long. Woo, woo.
That was sick.
That was stupid. Man.
Nice job.
Now let's go catch 5 or 6 more.
Now let's watch him get tournament. Because I'm done. I'm out of the game.
Clocked out. Look at him right here.
Oh my God,
He's gonna eat it. Here, come here, Grubby, Grubby, Grubby. Take this one, take this one. Here, just take this one. Tighten up and reel, tighten up and reel. Reel. No way! Woo! Yeah, boy.
Damn. Damn, that was insane.
All right, go to the front of the boat. I'm gonna, to the right side there, I'm gonna go chase him down a little bit.
You got an extra seater on that?
Oh yeah, we're good, but we are running out of line. That was awesome. Man, look at that thing go. What we were doing, we were running back up to the shrimp boat. They just pulled their nets and they were about ready to call out a bunch of the little fish, push them over the side. And as we're running, a tarpon explodes up next to our boat. So we stop and basically just threw a couple baits off the side of the boat, and bam, the tarpon just comes up and hits Grubby's bait. Well, that's that like, what do these things, like 80, 100 pounder? That's just, yeah. Look at him, I mean, he's right here by the boat. No, he's a big one, dude. He ain't no 80 pounder.
Look at this guy.
Get that? Oh my God. Get him? Go ahead and swing the rod tip over to me, and I'll just grab him. There you go. Turn his head. Bring his head right to me. Yeah, bring it right to me here. Yeah, just go like over Shay. Make sure that line doesn't hit the boat or any part of the.
Not done yet.
Oh, so close yet
man.
so much further away.
He's like, I'm not done
That
yet.
is a big one, man. Gosh. That was
Coming up.
unbelievable. He got a pretty good gulp there. You could hear him go, "Ooh." Little bucket mouth. He just had another Red Bull.
Might need one in. A little heavy on.
Yeah, he's close right here, though. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Look at that fish.
Look at that guy. Such the right side. Now he's starting to shake his head. Oh, look at this dude.
All right, well, how long do you think we've been fighting this thing for now?
Oh man, feels like about an hour. It's probably only been like 25 minutes.
I think
5 minutes exactly.
25 minutes. Exactly.
Oh,
I think
man.
he's about 3/4 of the way worn out. He's kind of slowed down a little bit on the jumping and stuff, but he's damn sure still pulling and doing a whole lot of head shaking. I'm gonna try to get him back up to the boat here and grab him and get a good release on him. There you go. Nice. That's perfect. As he's coming up, that rod's hooked down. Oh, lost him. Right, he's right there
Jinxed
too.
myself. Damn.
Or right on through it.
Good. Ah!
Well, Grubby just found out what tarpon fishing is all about. As you can see, we had brand new leader put on here today, but on the insides of their mouth, it's real like sandpaper. And basically just through the battle of all those big jumps and stuff like that, you can run your finger right down it and it's just chewed up. This is chewed up 80-pound test on a tarpon that size. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Great fight though.
Still a great fight, man. That was awesome.
Let's go catch another one.
Let's do it.
I'm right here behind the boat. They're just moving right up the call
yeah.
line there.
You just throw it like right around the.
Yeah, you just want to be
Bait that's
just
already in
on
the
the
water?
outside of the call. They're right here to the left.
Oh no. Can I cast over you and then get behind you?
Go ahead. All right.
A little tighter.
Go ahead. There you go. That's good. You gonna try to get one too, Shay?
Oh, they're right on us.
All right. If you haven't noticed, we have tarpon rolling all around the boat. We literally pull right back up. Grubby here, right here next to the boat. Grubby here, literally throws his bait in. Bam! It wasn't like 2 seconds. Hooked up. There's sharks and stuff mixed in with it too, but there's got to be at least 50, 60 tarpon. They're just gulping the bait here. Once Shay's about ready to have another one hooked up here right now, we're gonna get double hooked up for y'all, and then get back to you. Whoa! What was that? I think he ate some more coal. Oh my God.
Damn. Yeah, you got a big breath of air on that one.
So when you came out tarpon fishing today, do you think it was gonna be like this?
I mean, I knew it was gonna be hard, but I gotta bring one in, man. After losing that first fish, gotta get one to the boat now.
Oh, God.
And this guy's not.
You would have seen the size of the tarpon that just got beat up by this. Look.
You on that one?
Oh yeah, doubled up on tarpon, boys.
Yeah.
Doubled up.
You would have seen the size of the tarpon just gulp this behind the boat.
We're gonna.
Whoa!
Oh, you spit it out.
Look at the ones behind it. I'm not even throwing a bait out there. No. No, I'm good.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Nice. Woo!
Come on. Didn't even see him turn back that way.
Yeah, you're letting them do that? So like if you didn't want them to be doing that right now, you just have them to the boat.
Dude, that fish is huge. I got some color right here.
You got color?
Woo!
What you think about that?
Yeah.
That's pretty legit right there. You about got him. Swing him right on over here. Timmy, get it. Good one here.
Bam! Oh!
He's still. That's just wrong.
Oh. Ooh, that was close.
Dude, that's just wrong right there on so many levels.
Now we're talking.
Golly.
We about got him.
Dude, I'm just waiting for that tail. Look at that tail. I knew it was coming that time. I knew it. I knew it. I was like,
He's like, I'm gonna splash these dudes one more time.
man, don't do that to me again. All right, just bring the rod tip over here to me. One of these times I'm gonna get him.
Yeah, we got him. Oh, look at that. Fucking. No wonder they cut the line so much. Look at that. No! Close enough. That line was underneath that like little.
Yeah, that little piece. I kept
Piece
looking
on
at
the
it. I was like, oh my.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
I
count
mean,
that one.
I was trying to release the fish. Holy smoke. Look at me. That's not the kind of release we go for around here. No,
Yeah,
absolutely not.
Dude,
Yeah,
thanks
good
so
job,
much,
bro.
Man. That was sick. Yeah. Yeah, we've just been finding all kinds of fish out here today. And yeah, we just caught, I broke off the first one and we just caught the second one. They're both like probably around 100-pound fish. And yeah, Chase hooked up with probably the biggest one of the day so far. It's just been ripping the drag. So we're gonna try to help him out here, drive up on the fish a little bit and try to get this one on the boat.
No, the hook's right here. It's a heavy fish. Shay's been fighting this fish now for about 45 minutes. Finally get him to the boat. It's like a wrestling match right here. Just trying to get control of him, but trying to get this hook out. That big old sucker, boy. That is a mean looking fish. Look at the size of the eyeball on that fish. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Man, this thing. Oh, God.
They've ended up back in the cooler or something.
It's like wrapped.
6 feet long at least, bro.
Woo. Look at that big old girl.
Yeah, she's huge. You gonna idle the boat?
Hold on one second. Let me see if. Sayonara, sucker.
She gone.
She gone.
Nice work.
Woo. Buddy,
That was insane.
tell you what,
Yeah, dude.
it may only last for a couple months here, but when it's on, it is on.
Yeah, it was all kind of a blur how many fish we just caught. We were trying to figure out. I think we caught 5 or 6, I think, right?
Well, hooking them and catching them, and
Yeah.
none of them
Releasing
got on the
them.
boat. Nothing's going on this boat. Those fish are too big to pull up.
Yeah. But getting them to fight is just so excruciating that, 1 out of 3 is a damn good odds to get to the boat, that's for sure.
especially fishing on the light tackle that we are here today.
Yeah, it was burn and drag, and September, nothing pulled off yet. So lucky got some cloud cover early. Sun came out, made for some pretty shots, and we're sweating.
Yeah, man. Some of those hookups were insane, man. Seeing them jump right out of the gate like that, and yeah, man, it's a fight for sure.
When we rolled up on those pods of cull out there, there'd be nothing, and then next thing you know, there's 20, 30 tarpon just rolling over, just viciously attacking every little piece
Yeah.
of bait out there. It's just a matter of, you know, numbers until that tarpon comes and sees your bait and it's on.
Yeah, a couple of those were right off the side of the boat even. I mean,
I
they
know,
were coming
literally.
right there.
Yeah, you could have jumped on them almost.
That was insane.
But
That was so fun, man. Well, thanks for having me out, guys. That was insane. And, yeah,
Hi,
I'm
man.
gonna do it again soon.
glad to have you out.
Yeah, that was super fun.
Anytime.